Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix phone is getting warm on Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Android phone and close all unnecessary apps running in the background. Many apps continue to consume power and processing resources even when not in use, which can lead to overheating. Simply open the Recent Apps menu and swipe away the apps you don't need. Step 2. Now swipe down from the top of the screen to access the Quick Settings panel. Reduce the screen brightness to a comfortable level. A high brightness setting uses more battery power, which can generate additional heat. Step 3. Next, locate the power saving option on your device. This feature helps limit background activity and optimize battery usage, reducing the overall heat generated. Tap on it to turn it on and allow your phone to function efficiently without overheating. Step 4. One of the most important things to do is to avoid direct sunlight on your phone. Exposure to direct heat can raise the device's temperature quickly. Always keep your phone in a shaded or cool area, especially when using it outdoors. Step 5. Now, open the Settings app on your device, scroll down, and tap on the Software Update option. Keeping your phone's software updated is crucial because manufacturers release updates to optimize system performance and fix overheating issues. Step 6. In the menu, tap on the Download and Install option. Ensure your phone is updated with the latest software version. Once the update is complete, go back to the home screen and restart your phone. This helps refresh the system and apply any necessary performance improvements. That's it. Your phone should now function more efficiently without overheating. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.